So the company Realme has finally announced their first high-end phone, the Realme X2 Pro. So it's time to check out the device and have a quick look into its specs. So let's quickly open this box. First you will get another small package containing some documentations. Moving further, here's the phone, putting this at the side. So here's the SuperVOOC 50-watt charger, and it is extremely fast. Other than this, there's a Type-C cable inside. So here's the phone itself, looking gorgeous in this color variant. The device comes with a glass back that gives it a premium feel. In addition, it is also capable of reflecting gradient variations in a good lighting condition. So many of you are complaining regarding the awkward position of the Realme logo, which is just below the camera setup. However, there's no particular reason why the company had done this, but in my opinion, it is making the rear looks clean. And as compared to the Realme X2, there's no major change except of the placement of the cameras. And as we have mentioned before, the logo position has been changed. Anyways, what are your overall opinions regarding the rear design? Let us know in comments. The device is still compact and has a metallic frame that makes it more premium. The frame is looking well polished, and the volume keys are also metal coated, so the build quality is quite good. So as you can see, the phone has a large display, with a water drop notch, and a trimmed bottom chin. The screen space is really impressive. This is a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, with full HD Plus resolution up front. In addition, the screen also features a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is super smooth. The display also offers up to 1000 nits brightness, and comes with DCI-P3 color gamut, making the colors more vibrant. The refresh rate is preset to 90 Hz, and you can adjust it through settings. Anyways, the device also comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner that can unlock the device in just 0.23 seconds. Let's have a quick test of its speed. The water drop notch on the top houses a 16-megapixel selfie shooter with some beautifying features. It also supports night scene for taking brighter shots. Over the back, the phone comes with a quad camera setup, including a main 64-megapixel shooter, a telephoto lens of 13-megapixel that supports 20x hybrid zoom. There's also an 8-megapixel wide-angle lens with 115 degrees field of view. And finally, a 2-megapixel depth sensor. We will leave some samples at the last. Anyways, for performance, the phone comes with a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage. In addition, the phone comes with a massive 4000 mAh battery, supporting 50-watt SuperVOOC flash charging. Other than that, there's ColorOS 6.1 version here, with Android 9 Pie, so the charging speed of this phone is really impressive, as you can see how quickly it is charging. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Check the pricing details in description, and make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.